This is all about my intercooler on my VW T4 Transporter 2.5 TDI. Now the ACV comes standard with the factory intercooler, and the AJT version of that engine does not come with an intercooler, does not come with the same injectors, and does not come with the same engine map. What's different about my intercooler today? Well, I have had the inlet and outlet ports moved from where they were over there to the underside of the intercooler, because the original routing was around a 180-degree turn over here from underneath to the front of the intercooler, and those nice big silicon hoses were fouling the slam panel, which was about here, and squishing the hoses, and I didn't like that. Now the pipe will run from the turbo at the back across the top of the engine, go through roughly a 90-degree turn into the inlet, and then likewise at the outlet it'll go through a 90-degree turn, then another 90-degree turn into the top of the intake manifold through the EGR, or if you don't have an EGR, through the EGR delete pipe, all of which I will show you in a moment. So on the outlet side of the intercooler, you can see it goes through a 90-degree turn into a little connector, then a 180-degree elbow, which runs down underneath the expansion tank like that, and it just misses the hose that's underneath the expansion tank. And then just at the back there you can see the other hose where the map sensor is connected at the back, and then it goes into the top of the intake back there. Pretty neat.